we start? Yeah, 14.5. Okay, we'll start the problem. All of you just send the questions via WhatsApp. Okay, all of you just check it out. The question goes like this: the following information is available in respect of its operation. Okay. Under that they have given particulars and then they have given months. Okay, rupees in lakh. Particulars they have given sales, purchases, direct labor, manufacturing overheads, administrative expenses, then distribution expenses, and lastly raw materials 30 days credit. Okay. So then in continuation, B is there. Just all we go through. One more no photo I have sent it. Assuming the following financial flows during the period: inflow, they mention it as a inflows, the interest received in the month 1 and month 6 rupees 1 lakh each, dividend received during the month 3 and 6 rupees 2 lakh each, sales of share in month 6 and 6 rupees 1 lakh 60,000. These are the inflows. And outflows they are given: interest paid during the month 1 rupees 0.4, then dividend paid during the month 1 and 4 rupees 2 lakh, installment paid instant payment on a machine in month 6 rupees 20 lakh, repayment of loan in month 6 rupees 80 lakh, and lastly third one, assume that 10% of each month's sales are for cash and balance 90% is on credit. Okay. The terms and credit expenses of the firm are as follows. First, no cash discount. Second, 1% of credit sales is returned by the customer. Third, 1% of total account receivable is bad debts. Fourth, 50% of all accounts that are going to be paid due within 30 days. And fifth, 100% of sales, 100% of all accounts that are going to pay do so within 60 days. Using the above information, prepare a cash budget. This is the information what I have. Okay. So first, we have to prepare cash budget. For this, we can take the columns. Okay. Yeah. Sorry? My voice is not audible, huh? Maybe check with your these things. Others, I think they are okay, it seems. Others? Aishwarya, Kavya? Are you able to hear me? When I ask, you are not responding, how will you come to know? Just one of you check here. I'm audible now? I'm audible. You don't respond at all. How will come to know? I'm audible? Anybody has checked out? Anyhow, we'll move to that one. Otherwise, we'll be doing the same thing. First, we'll prepare the working note. Okay. You have to prepare first working note. before prepare the working note, so you should understand what exactly I am doing here. So we are preparing the cash budget. Okay. Write here cash budget. Cash budget. Okay. So in cash budget, so we have two parts. One is we have write in particulars. How many months we have? How many months we have? 6 months. Here I write cash inflow. Or I can write as a receipt. 6 months, no? Rupees in lakhs, correct? They get rupees in lakhs, correct? First is we have to find out what are the revenues we are working. Okay. So here we have cash inflow and cash outflow. We have what is the first information they are given? What is sales? How much is sales? Okay, sales is 40, 50, 60, 50, 40, 50, all of 60? One, two, three, four, five, 6, correct? Okay. Sales less cash sales. Again cash sales, no? What is cash sales? They mentioned regarding cash sales, they mentioned 10% cash sales. We should read the question properly. Assume 10% of each month sales are cash. That means 10% we are selling for cash. Okay. Less cash sales, what we do? We get 10% of 40 is 4, 5, 6. How much we have? 44, then 45. Okay, sorry. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? What is this? We call this a credit sales, correct? Is it clear? Out of sales, if you take out the cash sales, then whatever thing we get, we call that a credit sales. Is that clear to all of you? Next, what information we have? What information we have? Assumption that we are getting a lot of information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. All the sample cases are credit sales, cash sales, then sorry?
So cash is 90% are under terms and credit experience.
So, well, 90%
Are credits.
Balance 90% are
9% is correct. Fine, next further. No cash is not fine. 1% credit sales, 1% credit sales is written by the customers. Okay. So out of this credit sales, return less sales is other. So sales is how much? Out of the sales, 10% cash sales they are taken back. Out of the remaining credit sales, 1% customers they are returned back, right? Okay. So calculate 1% on this thing. Point. 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 Okay. Then we'll call the net credit sales. Okay. How much comes to 36 minus 0.36? 35.64. 44.5. 53 point. Next, what is what next one? All of you read the question. Question reading is very important. 1% off. Okay. So now this is now amount receivable, right? This is the amount which you are supposed to receive. Out of this 1% is bandage. Less 1% bandage. Okay. So now what is the amount of bandage? 1% or 35.64. How much comes to? 0.6. Okay. 0.36. Let's make 0.36. Now we'll restrict to 2 kids. Okay. Next. 0.3. 0.53 limit. Okay. So then what does sales we get? Net sales after bandage. Net sales after bandage is find out how much limit. Yes. 35 point. 52 point. Okay. This is net credit sales after bandage. Okay. Next, how we are collecting that amount? What are the means of collecting? Question won't get go. Simply don't dream it. Sorry. The master of God of
50% of all accounts that are going to pay do so within 30 days.
Okay. Remaining 50%. Okay. So 15% on the month of sale. When we receive 15%? Within the same month. Within 30 days. Within 30 days. Okay. 50% within 30 days. Another 15% within 60 days, correct? Okay. Within 50, next 50% say 100%, no? 100 live the next 20%. 100% of rare barta. 100% of rare, we keep 50% of that. 100% what it means? Totally 100%. Greater total 100%. But much greater super here. So 50% they receive within 30 days, another 50% they receive next 30 days. Okay? Yeah. 50% of 35.28. How much comes to? 17.64. Is 17.64 when we say another 50% within 60 days. Correct now? Hope all of it clear? 17 points out of 35.28, 50% we received in the first month. Remaining 50% we received in the second month. Correct? Yes or no? All of it clear now? Artha idella alga? So 35.64 first month we received within 30 days. They have not mentioned after 1 month, they have mentioned within 30 days. That's the reason we are taken here like this. Okay? Next, within 60 days. Correct? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, come to this one 44.10, 22.05, 50, and remaining 50 here again. Okay. Next, 20. Okay. Next. Okay. Suppose there is last month balance values, we will take it, we would have taken here. We don't have information about the last month, so we cannot do anything over here. So now add it. 17.64. Here it is 459. 39.69. 48.52. 52.94. This working note completes. Working on not the problem. Working note has completed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what we have done? Finally, I have to understand the problem here. I have to appreciate the problem. What we have done? This is all about the end of this what we have done. If we have found out when we are collecting, so what is the amount we have given out credit now? So again, 2 months credit would be customers here. How we are going to collect money? That's what we have done. Is it clear? So now come back to the main thing. Cash flow here, cash inflow. So in inflow means sales. I'll take cash sales, collection. I'll try to. What is cash sales? Cash sales we have mentioned this. Cash sales is 4, 5, and rest all of 6. Cash sales we have mentioned here. Okay. Next, once we collections, we have done it here already 17.64. Then 39.69. 48.52. 52.94. See 52.94. Okay. So cash sales, then we have collections. Next, what are the other revenues we have? Go for cash inflow, just take it out. What are the other revenues we have? Go for provision, take it out.
Dividends during month 3 and 6, it is 2 lakh each. And interest received in month.
Yes, can you read loudly?
Interest received in the month 1 and month 6, 1 lakh each.
Yeah. So interest received is again inflow. When they receive interest received in which month?
1 month.
How much?
1 lakh. 1 lakh.
Okay, 6 months. So interest we received cash into that because if we are receiving interest, that will come to business, so it should be considered as cash inflow. So they have mentioned between 1 and 6 months they are receiving the interest. Okay, next.
Dividend received.
When we are receiving the dividend?
Third and 6 months.
Third, how much?
2 lakh each. Sale of shares.
Next,
Sir, third and 6 months.
third and sixth. Okay, third and sixth. No. Next,
Sale of shares.
sale of shares.
In the month 6.
How much?
In the month 6, sir. 160 lakh.
160 lakhs. Next, that's it. Inflow. Total it. How much we get? Just check it out.
So 22.4.
20? 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, correct. $221.94. This completes your inflow. Now we'll go with the outflow. Okay? So outflow will like one. Just read the outflows what they follow. Interest paid. How much? Interest paid how much? 0.45.
In
0.4, right?
the month of first and
In the month of what? Correct, no? Then after interest, then dividend paid. Next, sorry, you can come back now.
Installment payment on
Installment. In which month?
6 months.
Which month? Okay, next. Repayment of loans. Which month? $80 lakh, huh? 180. Next. That's it. Now total it. Total payment. So 2.40 then 100. That's it. No other payments are there. Sure. Okay. So then we should calculate surplus slash deficit. Surplus slash deficit. How to find out is A minus B. This A, this is B. 22.64 minus 2.40. If inflow is more than exflow, if outflow we call it surplus. If outflow is more than inflow, we call it deficit. Okay. How much here? The first one. 2.24. Sorry. 20 point. Here it is. 56.94. 121. Okay. So next, so in this case we don't have anything. So we can next what we can have is borrow. We can have just you can see. Don't write down. Just you can see borrow. Then repay. Then we will have closing balance. There is no question of borrow. There is no question.